Welcome to our session on implementing real-time data synchronization in progressive web apps with service workers and IndexedDB. Imagine a world where your web applications work flawlessly, even when offline, and sync data seamlessly once you're back online. As a developer, mastering this skill allows you to create apps that are fast, reliable, and engaging. Today, you'll learn how to leverage service workers and IndexedDB to build such applications. We'll explore why this is crucial for modern web development, especially for e-commerce platforms, social networking apps, and collaborative tools. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to tackle challenges like network reliability, conflict resolution, and data. Let's delve into the core concepts. Progressive web apps, or PWAs, blend the best of web and mobile apps, offering speed and reliability. Service workers are the backbone of a PWA's offline capabilities. They run in the background, intercepting network requests and managing cache, which is pivotal for real-time data synchronization. IndexedDB, on the other hand, is a powerful client-side storage solution that allows you to manage large amounts of structured data. It's asynchronous, making it perfect for PWAs needing swift data handling. Think of your app as a busy highway. Service workers are traffic lights, directing data flow efficiently, while IndexedDB is the rest stop where data is safely stored. Real-time data synchronization ensures continuity, much like a seamless road trip where every leg of the journey is connected, despite any detours or stops. These tools together address issues like network interruptions, ensuring data integrity and security, which are paramount in today's digital applications. Now, let's put theory into practice with some code. We have a simple progressive web app for managing notes, which uses service workers and IndexedDB for real-time data synchronization. You'll see how service workers are registered to cache essential files for offline use, while IndexedDB manages data storage. Here's a snippet from our index.js file that handles note saving and displaying using IndexedDB. By using the IDB library, a simplified wrapper for IndexedDB, we open a database to store notes. When a user inputs and saves a note, it's added to the database and displayed instantly. This example gives you a tangible feel for how these technologies work together. Take a moment to absorb how each piece fits into the larger puzzle of a PWA. Let's see our PWA in action. Imagine you're using a note-taking app. You start by entering a note in the input field and clicking Save Note. Instantly, the note appears in the list below, demonstrating real-time data storage. Now, picture switching to offline mode. You can still add notes, and they'll be saved locally. Once back online, the notes sync with the server, ensuring no data loss. The demo highlights how seamlessly data is managed, regardless of connectivity changes. This real-time synchronization is crucial for maintaining a smooth user experience, especially in apps that require constant data updates. In conclusion, implementing real-time data synchronization in PWAs using service workers and IndexedDB transforms your web application into a reliable, offline-capable, and user-friendly tool. This capability is essential in today's world, where users demand seamless experiences across various devices and network conditions. By mastering these technologies, you're not just building better apps, you're providing solutions that keep users engaged and satisfied. So, what's next? Apply these concepts in your projects and experiment with new features. To continue accelerating your learning, subscribe to our channel. We offer real-world examples and insights that you can immediately apply to your development work, ensuring you stay at the forefront of web technology advancements. Thank you for joining us, and happy coding.